Every click you make, every search, every email is sold. Your digital life is an auction you never agreed to. It's not just ads, it's profiling. Google tracks what you buy, where you go, what you watch, and sells it behind the scenes. You search for cheap diabetes meds, your premiums rise. You binge YouTube at night, an employer flags you as unstable. Your habits equals someone else's judgment. Here's the pipeline. You, Google, data brokers, buyers, insurers, employers, even strangers can buy a digital double of you. Every site, every form, every phone number, they track you. Cookies don't just follow you, they expose you. This is the escape hatch. Private search, powered by Searching. Over 200 sources. No cookies, no selling, just raw truth. Pair it with Proton Mail, encrypted at rest. Add Proton VPN, even on Android TV, to conceal your location, your inbox, your searches, your identity, locked down. It runs on a simple Linux server, 32 to 64 gigabytes RAM, 500 gigabytes to 1 terabyte storage. That's all it takes to own your privacy. Once you pay us to set it up, it's yours forever. No upsells, no reselling, only quarterly updates, or when something breaks. For a free consultation, email us or call now if you need urgent help. And don't forget to subscribe for more ways to take control of your digital life.